Well, hello and welcome to week 5. We're going to be working on website updates today. So, thus far, we've already started our company. 2 weeks ago, we got our point of sale device. We got our Facebook accounts, we got our Gmail email, and now we're working on developing our website. So, a little bit of context of what we're trying to accomplish here in an entrepreneurship class, which is part of a business class. In this modern age, you really need to learn how to learn. That is what we're doing, especially at a technical college. What butters our bread, so to speak, is that we teach you how to learn because there's nothing exactly that we can teach you that's going to stay put for about 5 years. So that's part of what we're doing. Is a website important? Absolutely. Should you know how to use the software? Yes. Will you find a lot of instances to use it? Yeah. But is that the most important? No. So I've got several emails from this past week about some of you being frustrated. And believe me, I understand. I've had to learn so many programs in the last 2 years. It's almost mind boggling. And it's technology between your phone, right? Your phone and school and your job, you're learning this technology. And when it works, it's awesome. And when it doesn't, it's so frustrating. And I know it's easy for me to say, don't be frustrated. But when I do it, it just drives me nuts. But in this modern world, we have to learn how to get over that and then use some of our resources. By that, I mean, Google. If you don't know how to do this or that, Google it. Also, AI, Chat GPT. So if you go Google Gemini, that's a free one too, and that's with Google. You can use Copilot, but you're looking on how to do things on Square, and Square isn't exactly affiliated with Google or Microsoft or Facebook. It's not associated with any of those. So you can start looking for them, and you're not going to have a real strong bias, but that's how you're going to do it. YouTube is fantastic. If you want a YouTube video on how to do some of these things, that's great. But this week we're doing updates. We're trying to make our website look nice. So we broke this into 2 weeks. So the first one, it's like, I don't care what it looks like, honestly. Some of you did just a bang up job. They just look fantastic. Others of you just got it done. Your job was to get it done. So a lot of you will get full credit going, why did I get full credit for this? It's like, it's hard. It's really mind boggling to get over this. And some of you understood that going, this is frustrating. So this week, your only assignment is the updates. So let me tell you about what some of them are. You have to make sure that your website incorporates all your brand elements. So one of the main places to pay attention is the header, where you will want to incorporate your business logo. The second place is the footer, and that's where you want your phone, address, and contact information. Number 3, your tagline. Your tagline is like McDonald's, I'm loving it. Nike, just do it. So taglines kind of describe what your business is, so you're going to want a tagline. Steps 4 through 6, link your Facebook, YouTube, right? So I've asked you to do a YouTube at the very beginning of the semester, and next week we're doing commercials on YouTube. So you want to have a YouTube account. So you want to link your Facebook, your YouTube, and your third one might be an Instagram, or it might be something else, right? It may be a LinkedIn account, it may be a TikTok account, but you would want 3 social media accounts. Number 7, test out form. So form is trying to get information. You may ask some preferences, but you can add a form to your site. And this is just to test out. Then you have to make use of photos. Almost all of you have done that. You want to make a video. So I recommend you say a quick hello, because all of us are funny in a couple of ways. Let me show you. So if you see someone and they kind of look off, you're like, I don't trust that person. But if you put a video and you just say, hey, I'm selling coffee, I'm a boutique, I'm offering these services, and you look legit, people, in a heartbeat. If somebody's like a little, immediately if somebody's a little off. So if they can see that you're legit and you're a small business person, right? That can be a real advantage. You're a small business person. You can have a quick commercial of yourself. Some of you who are bashful, you don't even have to put yourself on there, but your voice still allows people to understand who you are. So that's the video portion, and then able your site to take payment, which means you just need to add an item. Once you've had these additions, post your website. It's the same link, and then you have to comment again on 5 individual websites. So that's about half the class. Those of you who've looked at the other websites are getting it. It's like, oh, we see how other people do it, and the things we like, we add. And we should start making ours a little bit better. That's the idea. So these 10 improvements are the goal. Do you have to? No, you should try to, because When you get frustrated, don't say, well, I'm not doing that because I'm frustrated. It's like, you're in entrepreneurship and you're in business. Business is about solving problems, and how you move up the ladder is by your capacity to solve problems that you don't know how to do. And that's what experience is. Experience is solving difficult problems. That's why they pay you more for experience. So what you're doing is you're gaining experience through this website. And that way when you're interviewed or go for promotion, hey, what have you done? Actually, I started small business on the side. I got my own website. I got my own logo, tagline, Facebook. I actually made my own webpage. Oh, really? Did you know how to do that? No, but I figured it out. I used YouTube videos. I Google it. I used AI. I talked to some of my friends. I emailed people. I used my resources, and then I figured it out. That's exactly what a manager wants to say. Or if you're applying for a job, that's exactly what they want to hear. So just having someone give you the answers isn't worthwhile, because that doesn't exactly give you experience. So use your tools so that you can do this assignment. Try not to get frustrated, and give yourself a little grace. If you get frustrated, come back in an hour, come back the next day, or go through all the easy ones first and then sleep on it. Come back the next day, but build in at least a sleep time. Say, I'm going to do this in 2 days, not one. Otherwise, you're just going to get so frustrated, and then you're just going to get mad and quit, because you're a human, right? So try and work on your own mental capacity so you don't get frustrated this time, and you can get it done, and you learn the process of how to learn. All right. See you next time.